How to improve prostate health. One of the problematic men's health problems is the enlarged prostate gland. A prostate gland is a small reproductive organ that allows releasing of prostate fluid, one of the components in semen. These come through the urethra during ejaculation, allowing men to reach orgasms properly. One of the common symptoms of prostate problems is a poor urinary stream, frequent urination, and even a feeling that the bladder is not empty. If not treated at the right time, these problems may lead to various other health issues. People nowadays indulge themselves in finding the best natural treatment for enlarged prostate to get a permanent solution. What causes an enlarged prostate? People mainly face prostate problems after 50. Age is one of the many causes behind the problem. Prostate enlargement is sometimes a hereditary problem that carries through the genes from the father and so on. Obese people are also prone to difficulties that can be severe up to cancer. Lack of exercise and physical activity in men may also cause such troubles. How do you treat an enlarged prostate? After knowing the cause, let's look at the natural supplements for enlarged prostate. Prostocure capsules are natural supplements for the enlarged prostate gland made of powerful herbs and nutrients. These herbal pills help treat men who are suffering from this issue. The herbs in these pills improve the function of male reproductive organs and cure impotence. How to use Prostocure capsule. One should take Prostocure capsules for 3 to 4 months. This herbal supplement's regular course ensures the prostate gland's improvement. Due to their herbal nature, these pills take time, but the results are long-lasting. Prostocure capsules are purely a natural formulation, hence they do not cause any side effects to the user. Other tips. A healthy diet plan can lead to a healthy life and reduce the chances of many diseases. Men should change their diet plans to prevent these difficulties at their older or younger ages. Some foods, such as ginger, tomatoes, pomegranate, and green tea, deflect the chances of this organ enlargement. Proper exercise is perfect for the health of all ages. Conclusion. Prostocure capsules are the best natural supplements that help men treat prostate enlargement and improve health. Thousands of people have already benefited from these herbal supplements. Now, it's your turn. World's finest natural prostate supplement.
%100% herbal ingredients. 100,000 plus happy customers. GMP certified quality. +80 countries presence.
Buy Prostocure capsules from AyushRemedies.com.
The product link is given in the video description.
Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon on YouTube app and never miss another update. Watch related video for more information and health tips.